supporting my chairman. I'm also a member of the committee. And the Urum Kalu-Eke is my constituent.
The Chief Whip Emeritus, you churn out this report. The report is your own. So what do you want to say about it again? It's your report. Yes. You put it together. So, okay.
Mr. Urum Kalu-Eke is my constituent, and he made a call to me, and he told me that there's a conflict between the new job he's doing and what he's going to be. He told me that it will be a conflict between the job he's doing now and the central bank, sitting in the central bank, because he's a consultant to the World Bank, to some businesses, private and government. So he informed the governor of central bank that he might be declined not to do the job. So this is the reason it did not come. So I support the 4 candidates nominated by Mr. President because they are very credible people. They are people of high reputation, Nigerians, and the central bank needs them at this moment of our economy. So I support that the Senate should go ahead and confirm them without any wasting of time. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, Chief.